I usually like to brush the glaze on my pots, but when I have to glaze the interior of a bisqued ceramic pot that has a small opening where the brush is difficult to manipulate, I pour the glaze inside until it reaches the top border. Then I rotate the pot, making sure the glaze reaches all the corners. I use slow movements so that I make sure the glaze will set with an even coat. I'm using here Mako Clear NTBR. After 1 or 2 minutes of doing this, I carefully pour the glaze back into a different container. I make sure to let it drip as much as possible from the pot. This is important so it will leave an even coat of glaze inside the vase. You can see here how the glaze has reached all the deep opening of the vase. After that, I make sure to clean any excess in the border of this vase with a wet sponge. And after that, again, I keep my vase upside down until I see no more drops of glaze are falling. Here you can see that vase already glazed in the inside, but it's still glossy. That means that it's still wet. So I need to wait until it gets dry. While I wait for that glaze to dry, I can pour the excess glaze back into the bottle, and then I can use it for another project. And now my vase is ready for me to decorate the outside of it. I can show you a picture of how it turned out. Here it is. Please let me know in the comments if you like how it turned out. It's a commission. I used in the top Mako Jungle Gems Blue Caprice. It's a glaze that has crystals in it, so you can see those little colors are little crystals that burst after the kiln. Voila! If you like what I do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.